In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to get a discount by using the coupon code on Rize. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to go here using the link in the description. And then you will have this pop-up on the top right. It says that Coupon invites you to use Rize. And from here, you will now be able to apply the following promo code after you sign up to get a discount off your first 3 months purchase using our coupon code. So now let's just go and sign up, set up our account. So to do that is that we're going to go into pricing. And now you can see that we have the free plan, standard, and professional. For example, you would get the professional. You can click here on get started. And then you can now provide your email right here to get the download link. And then send me an email. It's now sending. And now you should receive an email like this. Now you should just choose your operating system. For example, I would go for the Windows App Store. Click here and click on Open Microsoft Store. And then I would now have this pop-up where it would open the Microsoft Store app and install Rize Time Tracker from here. Now, once it's installed, is that you want to open it, and then from here, click on Get Started, and then next, and then next again, and then you can go for next again, and then next, and then just go next until you finish this, and then you want to restart the application. And now we can sign up. Now, I'm just going to use my Google account, but you could also use your email if you'd want to. I'm just going for Google for this one so that it would be much simpler and easier. And then once you're signed in, you will now need to undergo this process. So just complete this right here. So I'm just going to go and choose whatever it is that fits me right there. And now finally, once you have successfully answered all of those personalized questions, is that you will be prompted here into the promo code. And this is where our promo code comes in to get a discount. So basically just enter our promo code, which is ENJOY25, and click on apply. And from here, you would now get a 25% off on all payments within the first 3 months. Now, you just simply need to click on next. And as for this one, you can just skip it since we have already used our discount code. So we get what we wanted already. So we're going to click here and skip. And then you can just finish this process. And then basically after this is that you would now need to pay for the total price and click here on start trial. It's now going to verify your account. And yeah, it's basically it. After this trial is that you would need to pay and you would already get your discount. So that's it on how you could use our discount code on Rize. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.